Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive right into it because I believe next week is going to be crazy. Trump just came out and basically said, we at peace. We ain't want no smoke. Y'all ain't want no smoke. Let's call it what it is. Let's get back to business, making this money. U.S.-Iran peace deal announced. You feel me? So whenever things like this happen, it can, especially when Trump come out and say or do anything, he definitely put major movement on the market. Just like on last week, he came out and tweeted that he wouldn't be bombing them, anything like that, and the market went crazy. A few months ago, he came out and tweeted, the market went crazy. He done this several times. Okay, this doesn't mean just throw away all discipline. Okay, Trump said that, look like the market about to go up, let me just throw thousands at it. And then you get smoked. The market take your whole head off. Because the run up can happen prior, in the pre-market, in the after hours. Run up, soon as it run up, at open, run up even more. And now you thinking, oh, let me get on before it run too much. As soon as you get in, it collapse. And then it probably only collapse for the first 30 minutes to an hour, and then once it gets you to sell for your loss, and then it reroute and start to go back up. So you still need to have timing. You still need to be disciplined. You still need to be sharp. You still need to be cautious of the type of size that you use. Just because you hear good news, good quality, so many intricacies lining up, that don't mean throw discipline out the door. Because that's how you get smoked. And the name of the game is surviving. You want to live to be able to see the next day. So let's take a look at how VIP been doing. Go over last week or whatnot. I already made 268 off of Meta, you the truth. Up 220 off Meta, but appreciate it, fam. Somebody said don't touch SpaceX, but if they would, they would be up right now. I get it though. Usually whenever, they have IPOs and stuff, even if the first day do good, the next day, overall, it usually be almost half the price of what the original IPO price was. But with Elon Musk, hey, he can have a different scenario. You never know. But me personally, I still would give it some time, regardless. Whether it keep going up, whether it collapse or whatever, I give it a little time, a little breathing room to breathe first before I invest in it long term. Shout out to the ones that bought first day though, already up 20%. It's honestly very hard to tell what the future of a new, freshly IPO company is going to do until we have some type of, information of it being on the exchange for a little while. Shout out to my people like I say VIP going over what they done last week. It's profits on spot today. Thanks B. Levels dead on again, brother. God is good. Crazy day today, B. What can I say? On point as always. 1,500 plus on the day. Thanks to you and VIP. 5,000 on the week. VIP for life. Let's go. Up 1K. Up on one Tesla, one SPY call, one Marvell call. Pullbacks were very crazy today. 800 bucks in 5 minutes. Thanks again, big brother Hayes. Let's go. 2,500 on Tesla. Let's go. Fam B, you nailed it. 160%. Coach B Hayes, you the motherfucking best ever. Great job to the members. I love it, fam. Just joined. He just joined VIP. I did 434 today. Hey, amazing. If you want to join VIP, just go to my home page on this YouTube channel. Click join. Exclusive tier. They give you all access to execution levels, to multiple stocks, to spy each and every day in the hottest plays that we come across. Also market context underneath, and also give you a refresher every single morning of the rules that you need to follow to keep yourself disciplined and in line. If you don't want exclusive tier that's too high for you, you can do the tier right underneath that. That tier give you everything. Also exclusive give you one-on-one weekly phone calls to help you out. Or if you don't understand, don't know what confirmation is, don't really know how to maneuver around the market, that's why I come in and help you one-on-one. The tier before that is give you the execution levels, market context, the refresher every morning to keep you on the right track, but it doesn't come with one-on-one phone calls. Phone calls are weekly for 15 minutes every single week. So tomorrow I will be looking at, give you the list of stocks that's on my watch list. I will be watching Meta. I definitely want to be watching Meta hard. It's like at the top of my watch list. Meta, I'm gonna go over what I'm looking for exactly. With Meta, I'm expecting it's been hammered. So I'm definitely expecting some relief, especially if the market goes my way. What I'm talking about with Trump, everything, you know, the market tends to shoot up after that. So right in the after hours, by the time the market opened in the pre-market at 8, I'm recording this video before then. It's probably be out after, before. However, you know, it takes a little time for me to upload, but I'm pretty sure this is probably already up. You get what I'm saying? But what I'm looking for a Meta, I want to see it hold up at 564, 563. If it can hold up there, it definitely can push back up towards 575, 576. And if it holds at 575, 576, then we could go to 580, 580 plus. And depending on how, you know, big the market wants to run tomorrow, it could do, you know, it could go even crazier. So I'm gonna definitely have that on my watch list. Next, I'm gonna be watching Roku. This a different one for you. You know what I'm saying? I've been looking at Roku for earnings. I was looking at Roku. This is a stock that was at a few $100 in 2021. I think $300-400, and got hammered. While everything else was kind of, you know, coming back, Roku ain't really been doing nothing. But you remember, Roku is over in 100 million households around the world. So it's definitely still a very strong company. And I'm hearing rumors about buyout for Roku. Maybe somebody like Netflix, maybe somebody like, you know, who knows? Somebody probably trying to buy Roku. And whenever you hear news like that, or rumors or whatever speculations, that's when, you know, things like this start to occur. 20% in a single day on Friday. Roku shot up $24. That's insane. And from here, you can see even more momentum if the market continue to, you know, have that relief rally with what Trump just disclosed. We could see this push upward towards 160 and possibly even further. But if it doesn't hold, we could see Roku go back down towards the 130s. Definitely want to see Roku hold above. We'll want to see Roku hold above 142, 140 in order to keep this momentum to go towards 160. But if that doesn't hold, this thing could collapse right back down. Next is Coinbase. This right here, this baby is ready to go. This is ready to go. Especially, you know, you see Bitcoin having good movement to the upside late Sunday night as well. Coinbase can be a sympathy play to Bitcoin. Usually Bitcoin up and doing well, Coinbase will be trading along behind it. So what I want to see for Coinbase, I want to see Coinbase break above 166. If it's going up in the upward direction, it break 166. It can go towards 174, 175. And if it break below 159 to the downside, it can jump down towards 155, 154. I'll also be watching Marvell tomorrow. This right here, it could run back up towards 300 quick, especially if it holds above 280, 279 to be exact. Holds above 279. This can run and test 300 on tomorrow very quickly. If it breaks above 301, this thing could run back towards its highs, 314, 315. But it needs to hold above 279. Keep that bullish bias. Also Tesla, you know we love Tesla. I'm going to be watching Tesla as well. Tesla, I want to see Tesla hold above 403. Tesla hold above 403, you can go towards 412. If it break 412, we can see around 415-ish. Tesla break underneath 402, we could test around 390. And also Oracle. Oracle got hit after earnings, dropped hard after running up previously to around that 250 marker. Then it sold off, pulled back 226, then 200. Right around earnings is around 202, 203, and then it fell off another $20+. So I'm definitely watching this for a nice recovery as well. I believe the fall was unethical. A lot of traders probably piled in on calls, and then what the market is going to do, punish you when majority is on the opposite direction. So I'm gonna definitely be watching Oracle next week for a nice recovery if the market is going in our favor, obviously. You feel me? So the main level I'm gonna watch for Oracle is around, if we get a push up from right here, this 184 area, I want to see it break above 187, 189, around that area, 187, 189. If it breaks that, they can shoot back to 200 quick. But if we don't go to the upside, What I'm gonna be watching for the downside is 182. Tesla, Oracle break below 182, and then 179. You can go towards 175. So you already know